In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Australia Post with Shopify. If you run an online store in Australia, connecting Australia Post to Shopify makes it easy to show accurate rates and create shipping labels right from your admin. We'll keep this simple and stick to the exact steps while I add context so you know what to expect along the way. Start by heading to shopify.com and sign into your store so you're looking at the Shopify admin. Make sure you have permission to install apps for this store. If you don't, ask the store owner to grant you access. Once you're in the admin, go to the apps section. On that page, click Add. This button takes you to the area where you can bring new tools into your store. If apps isn't visible, expand the left sidebar or use the search bar at the top of the admin to find it. Next, choose Shopify App Store. This opens the official marketplace in a new tab or window. It's the safest place to install apps because everything listed there has been reviewed by Shopify. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Australia Post. You'll see several results that relate to shipping and labels. The one we're focusing on today is called Easy Label, Australia Post Ship. Click that result to open its app listing. On the listing page, glance over the description and reviews so you know what the app does and whether it matches your needs. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen that explains what the app can access, such as orders and shipping settings. This is normal for shipping tools. To proceed, click Install again to confirm. Shopify may briefly show a loading screen, and then you'll be taken back to your admin as the app finishes setting up. That's it. The Australia Post integration is now added to your store through Easy Label. From here, the app will typically guide you through any remaining onboarding inside its own dashboard, such as choosing services, setting label preferences, or verifying sender details. If something doesn't load right away, refresh the page or reopen apps and launch Easy Label from your installed apps list. A quick tip: if your plan requires carrier calculated shipping for live rates at checkout, contact Shopify support to enable it or use a plan that includes it. And always test a draft order to make sure rates and labels appear as expected. You've successfully integrated Australia Post with Shopify. Save your changes and you're ready to ship with confidence.